Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing a message today, so I'm just going to get started and let's see what the message is. Okay, so we have nature, courage, and partnership. Okay, so the first thing that I feel, it's about taking time for you, clearing your mind. Okay, I feel that you have a lot on your mind. There's a lot that you're thinking about. Okay, I hear clarity. I feel that you can't gain clarity when you're in your head, when you're thinking too much. The answers won't come and the clarity won't come. I feel that you need to stop thinking about what's on your mind. I feel to take a walk. I hear stagnant. You feel stagnant, but that's because of how you're thinking. Things will change over a period of time. Clarity will come. Give it time. All will be well. And I hear things will move. I feel that you're afraid to say how you feel because you're afraid of the reaction and what the outcome will be. I feel be gentle with your words, with your communication. And I feel that you're the kind of person that doesn't like to have to communicate and speak up and say what you feel. I feel like you like to always just keep the peace. Okay, but I feel in this situation, it's about speaking up, having that courage. Be gentle with your approach. Communication then will go well and everything will be understood and things will be resolved. Okay, so what I feel with this card, it's building new partnerships, growing and expanding your circle of friends, your support system, bringing in new ideas, fresh faces, adding value, to what already exists, having like-minded people, more like-minded people within your inner circle. Okay, that will help you grow and expand. Your support system. Okay, so that's the message for today, everyone.